How to install your Nexxt Home Smart Wi-Fi door lock. Make sure you have everything you need at hand. Insert the deadbolt latch. The T-shaped notch must be placed at the bottom. Screw the deadbolt latch to the door. Mount the touchscreen assembly on the exterior side of the door. Guide the spindle through the T-shaped notch and the cylinders through the holes on the deadbolt. The flat power connector passes under the deadbolt. Detach the mounting plate from the interior assembly. Guide the power connector, the spindle, and the cylinders through their respective holes on the mounting plate. Screw the mounting plate tight to the door. Plug the power connector into the socket. The blue ridges on both ends must match. Connect the internal and external units. Screw the interior assembly to the door. Place the batteries and slide down the cover until it clicks in place. You will hear a beep, and on the touchscreen a blue circle will start blinking. Test the mechanical operation of the lock. Make sure the deadbolt is unlocked in the end. The smart Wi-Fi door lock is now fully installed, powered, and ready to pair with the app.